Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a little hair tutorial on how I get voluminous, long, full bombshell hair and how you can get it too. And this video is sponsored by Goo Goo Hair extensions. These are amazing hair extensions that were sent to me, and if you've been following me for a while on this channel, you know that I do love hair extensions, that I play around with different ones often. My hair is actually, it's growing a lot. It's growing a lot, but it's not as long as I would like for it to be. I love beautiful, long, voluptuous, like wavy bombshell hair. And I'm obsessed with that look, and that's the look that I feel most confident in. So right now my hair is kind of like at a medium length, and I want to make it fuller and just make it more voluminous and pretty and longer. So these are perfect for that. These were sent out to me, and I will go ahead and link their website in the description box below. And thank you to Goo Goo Hair for sponsoring this video and sending these pieces out. I am absolutely obsessed with these. Look how cute this box is that they sent me. So they come in this little box, and when you open the box, it comes with a little hair clip to part your hair. It also, they come in here in this little bag that is also reusable, and the little instruction guide tutorial, but I kind of know how to use these already because I've done a lot of hair extensions. So I'm going to show you how I style them. These are 100% Remy human hair. They are heat resistant, and the ones that I got specifically are the classic, let me see, the classic clip-on hair extensions. So I like the clip-ons. I know they also sell like the tape-in hair extensions. They sell ponytail hair extensions and the seamless clip-in ones, but I like the clip-ons. They're just the easiest for me to apply. So when I say clip-on, let me show you. I'm going to take these out, and it brings a lot of pieces, which is awesome because I'm used to like the hair extensions that bring like 4 pieces, but this one brings quite a lot. So it makes your hair just that more voluminous. And I got the color natural black. My hair is actually dark brown, but I dye it natural black. I like that natural dark color. So I usually tend to dye it like a natural black color. So these will work. And it's kind of like a really good match to my hair color. So when I say clip-in, this is what I mean by clip-on. They have the little clip here that you just open. You just clip them open, and then you can section your hair however you see fit. I like to section mine kind of like, I like to pick my hair up, half down, put the largest part there, and then around my head, I just like to put the other little pieces. So it doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to, there's not a perfect way to section your hair. You just do it how you see fit, and you put as many pieces as you feel comfortable, depending on how much volume you want. So I'm going to play around with these and see how much we actually end up putting on my hair. They don't feel heavy at all. They feel very lightweight, which is awesome. And I got the 20-inch, which they're absolutely beautiful. Like they feel so soft compared to other hair extensions I've tried, because I used to buy hair extensions like on other websites and they did not feel this soft. The quality was not this good. This is just chef's kiss. I'm obsessed. So definitely check them out. Let me go ahead and show you how I style them. I'm going to go ahead and clip them on, and then I'm going to curl them. The way I like to curl my hair and hair extensions is with a flat iron. That's the easiest way for me to curl my hair. I struggle with curling my hair with curling irons. I don't know why, but I just do. So I like to use a flat iron. So if you've never seen somebody curl their hair with a flat iron, you will today. I'll show you how easy it is to do it, so maybe you can get some tips on how to do it yourself. And if you have been curious about hair extensions, this is like the best time for you to get them. And they also they offer worldwide free shipping, and they have 24/7 customer service and a 30-day exchange and return policy. So if for any reason you're not happy with them or they're not a good match, maybe you have up to 30 days to exchange them or return them, which is awesome. So this is perfect if you want like longer hair, more volume, just like that pretty bombshell look. That's what we're gonna attempt to do today. This is perfect for like New Year's Eve is literally 2 days away. So I think this would be the best time to show you guys how to do these. That way, if you're looking for hair extensions, you will be set for the new year for like a whole new glow up. So let me go ahead and show you guys, and let me know in the comments below what you think of these hair extensions, and everything will be linked in the description box below. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Nora. I do all things plus size fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if any of that interests you, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be updated when I upload new videos. I typically upload once to twice a week. And also, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So let me go ahead and show you guys, and let's get this hair looking like a bombshell. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and split your hair like a half up, half down. You could make a line there if you like it to be perfect. I don't need it to be perfect because I already know where to place mine because I've been doing this for so long. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but I like to do like a half up, half down. And I want to put, what you want to do is you want to put the extension that has the most clips in the back of the base. So this one has 4 clips. It's usually the one with the 4 clips that you would be putting in the base of your head, because this one will set the stage, the platform for all of the other extensions around it. So they're very easy to open and clip on, and they clip on super easily, and they don't hurt. They're not tight. These extensions are very lightweight and easy to put on, so I just love that about them because my head doesn't feel weighed down with them. So then you're going to go around your head and put the remainder of the extensions. So the other ones have 2 or 3 clips, but watch how I do it. It's super easy.
Some treat their love is like ice. Smoke them up and leave them, changing with the seasons. But you know that shit ain't my style. I just want the OG, it's always been it for me. Yeah, you saw me when nobody would, and he loved me good, through the bad and the ugly. He never got a knock on wood. Tell him, baby, don't worry. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun. I just want the one that's been it since the day one. I don't buy the cheap pills, I just get the bun. That I got with the one that's been it since the day one. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun. I just want the one that's been it since the day one. I don't need to play games, I already won. Cause I got the one that's been it since the day one. Day one, day one. Yeah, you always been the only one. From day one, day one. No, I'll never want another one. Some said we to be old news, cause we didn't work on paper. I said fuck the haters, cause the day I met him I knew. Felt the chemistry of spirit, way beyond the physics. Yeah, he saw me when nobody would, and he loved me good, through the bad and the ugly. He never got a knock on wood. Tell him, baby, don't worry. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun. I just want the one that's been it since the day one. I don't buy the cheap pills, I just get the bun. That I got with the one that's been it since the day one. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun. I just want the one that's been it since the day one. I don't need to play games, I already won. Cause I got the one that's been it since the day one. Day one, day one. Yeah, you always been the only one. From day one. No, I'll never want another one. What you know about a man who worked double time, helped a woman chase a dream, made my dream is a rising, buying medicine when I'm sick, crush my hair when I'm stressed, made me snatch my I got PMS. Yeah, baby, been the ground that I've been building on. I wouldn't be the woman I am without the years we barely made rent. Way he taught me patience, love me at my worst, now he gets my best. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun. I just want the one that's been it since the day one. I don't need to play games, I already won. Cause I got the one that's been it since the day one. Day one, day one. Yeah, you always been the only one. From day one. No, I'll never want another one. I walked through walls till my every bone felt the damage. And I knocked on doors till my hands grew brittle and bruised. Let every scar break my heart till I learned to bend it. Yeah, it hurt me in the moment, but now if I'm being honest, I'm proud of these eyes, cause they see me through some hardship. Proud of those nights when I didn't think I'd make it. Ooh, even when they feel heavy, I'm proud of every part of me. Proud of these lungs for the way they kept me breathing. Proud of how my feet kept me running in the deep end. Ooh, even when they feel heavy, I'm proud of every part of me. I shut my mouth till I lost my voice in the silence. And I bent my back till I learned how to carry the weight. Put my body and mind under trial till I found alignment. Still remember how the pain felt, but I never wanna change it. Cause I'm proud of these eyes, cause they see me through some hardship. Proud of those nights when I didn't think I'd make it. Ooh, even when they feel heavy, I'm proud of every part of me. Proud of these lungs for the way they kept me breathing. Proud of how my feet kept me running in the deep end. Ooh, even when they feel heavy, I'm proud of every part of me. I'm proud, I'm proud, proud of every part of me. I'm proud, so proud, proud of every part of me. Proud of these eyes, cause they see me through some hardship. Proud of those nights when they didn't think I'd make it. Ooh, even when they feel heavy, I'm proud of every part of me. Proud of these lungs for the way they kept me breathing. Proud of how my feet kept me running in the deep end. Ooh, even when they feel heavy, I'm proud of every part of me. I'm proud, I'm proud, proud of every part of me. I'm proud, so proud, proud of every part of me. I walked through walls till my every bone felt the damage. And I knocked on doors till my hands grew brittle and bruised. Let every scar break my heart till I learned to bend it. Yeah, it hurt me in the moment, but now if I'm being honest, I'm proud of these eyes, cause they see me through some hardship. Proud of those nights when I didn't think I'd make it. Ooh, even when they feel heavy, I'm proud.
All right, you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I absolutely love how these came out, and this was just me showing you quickly how I do it. If I take a lot more time to like curl every piece, like it's a lot even more voluminous, but this is like stunning. This is like perfect for like a New Year's Eve look or for like a holiday party. And I love the length, I love the volume. It just makes such a difference, and it just like, I don't know, long, pretty hair like this just makes me feel a lot more confident. And I'm obsessed with these hair extensions. They were so soft. They were so easy to curl. I really love how easy these curled compared to other hair extensions that I've had. So I'm absolutely obsessed. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I really love these, so make sure to check out Goo Goo Hair Extensions. I will link their website in the description box. Make sure to check them out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this little quick tutorial. And yeah, I really wanted to show you how easy it is to get them on. I know like the way I split my hair is not like you know, perfect, but this was just kind of like a short tutorial on how I do it. But you can do it anyway. You could split your hair. Like if I take the time and split my hair a lot better, like they even come out even nicer. But I was just doing like a quick, you know, show and tell kind of thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love these. These are perfect. And I know like I have shorter hair. So what you do when you have shorter hair like this is you just try to like blend them in. As you can see, like with the curling, it just blends it in even more. So it just looks all the same color. It looks like if it was my hair. I'm obsessed with these, and these are my new favorite brand of hair extensions. Like I will definitely be shopping from them, and I'm hooked. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you to Goo Goo Hair for sponsoring this video, and I'll go ahead and link their website in the description box. Their website is googoohair.com. So make sure to check them out. They have some really, really amazing pieces, and they go all the way up to like 24 inches. So they have much longer or shorter depending on what style and preference you have. And they have other colors like blonde, brown, red. So just make sure to check them out. They have something for everyone. Yeah, go ahead and check them out. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all next time. Bye.